It's off to work we go. Is that the right song? I'm gonna be introducing you to a little slice of heaven, the best barbecue joint here in Northeast Florida. So we're about to go get fat, and I'm really excited. This is Eleanor. She's our real estate partner that just locked arms. What are you most excited about at this? Should we say where we are?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it? It's a bird.
Woodpeckers
Backyard barbecue.
I am preferential to the brisket, and I love the daddle pepper sauce. Daddle peppers are like specialty.
Yeah, they
are. In
are.
Augustine, Florida.
Yeah, they will tear you up too.
Yeah.
So there's lean brisket and fatty brisket. Which one?
I'm gonna say both, but of course the fatty,
Nice.
the fatty tastes better.
Let's go in there, check it out. Plus I'm gonna get a lot of to-go stuff to go home to Sarah because Sarah loves woodpeckers too. So Lisa is the owner. Lisa's amazing. And this is a place literally when you come in, people know your name. Like that show, right?
Right.
Be quiet, you don't even know what show I'm talking about.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's the daddle pepper.
Yep.
And here we are, where are we? State Road 13 and 16, right on the river. You can maybe see it in the distance.
Thank you.
Yep.
How are you?
This is Eleanor. She just joined our real estate team. This is Lisa I was telling you about.
I was just looking at you the other day and that baby.
Really?
And your
oh,
wife.
yeah.
Hi, how is everybody? Welcome to Woodpeckers.
I love that
Brookie,
pink.
say
That's
hello.
Amazing.
How are you?
Laugh now, cry later. My only dream in life was to rock a mic up in front of you spectators and rock shell toes, not gators.
The Orangedale, right? So this area we're sitting in right now is considered Orangedale.
Got you.
So this is the daddle vinegar, fatty brisket, collard greens, mac and cheese.
Oh man, this corn looks amazing. You're doing the mustard, huh?
I like to mix. Be a mixologist. Vinegar? Oh, that vinegar, okay. Yeah. No, not
She's like a sauce bartender. This is outrageous. It is so good.
Have you seen my taters?
I don't know how to answer that question.
Yeah. I'll see your taters.
My baked potato?
No, I haven't. What's going on with that?
I hope to sell one and I'll walk it by here.
Awesome, cool.
To see you.
Your bartender made some mixtures of the sauces. It's out of this world.
That's bartender Mix Master Flex right there.
Hey, how can barbecue be so different from one place to another?
We all cook, we have our own style. I mean, I don't copycat, so what I do is what I do. So it comes out as it is.
Feel the funk, y'all. Yeah, and lay back and cut. What's up? What's up? From Alpha to Omega, VHS to Beta, PlayStation to Sega, my skill is still greater. The sickest thing since VD, wicked like VG. Live my life.